friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So last week I did a review on Loopy Yarn, and I had a ton of comments on here and on Instagram and my DMs and in Facebook asking me to show how to use the Loopy Yarn. So I'm going to show you how to just do a basic Loopy Yarn stitch, and I'm super excited about it. Okay, so last week you guys saw my video that I reviewed the Lion Brand Off the Hook yarn and then the Bernat Elize yarn, and you were asking how to do these stitches. So it's kind of cool how this works. So you don't need hooks or needles or anything like that. All you're going to do is you're going to count out how many loops wide you want your project. And if you're not sure, you can literally take this and measure it. So if you needed it to be like 10 inches long, you just measure 10 inches. Or 10 inches wide. And so you'll count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do 10 stitches for today. And all you do is you take the 11th stitch and you pull it through the back of the stitch. And you just continue that. So you'll take the 12th stitch and pull it through. And you just continue all the way down your stitches. Just like this. So now you've got your first row done, and all you do is you turn your working yarn and you just keep going. And it's just like that. You just push those loops through the back and you have done it. And you just keep going until you get to the length that you need it to be. And I like to pull on my stitches a little bit to make sure everybody stays where they're supposed to. And this is what the back looks like. It kind of looks like a garter stitch from knitting. But yeah, that's how you do the loopy stitch. Like I said, it's really easy. It's a great project if you have kids a little bit older, probably I'd say like 7 years old or older, and they're working on following directions, or even little ones, they can just keep making it really long, and that works on their fine motor skills. And then you get to make something with them with yarn. And then to finish it, what I do is, so I take my yarn and I pull it through, and then I take my next loop, and you want to go through the front of it. So you'd go through the front of that loop, and then you just go over top of it with each stitch. And that binds it off. And then you just cut right here. But it just binds off the stitches. It's very similar to like Tunisian crochet or knitting. So you just bind that off, and then you take this and you would cut it and tie it into a knot. I pull one side out the bottom and then tie it into a knot, and you really can't see it when you're done anyway. But yeah, so that is how you do the loopy stitch. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!